Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm that 1320 chick. I just got done backing up the truck to the trailer because we are going to grab Wylee finally. Wylee has been at DNR Customs, if you haven't seen the previous video, getting its 10-point installed, and it is finally done and it is finally available to come home. We were about to get it last week, but we couldn't because the weather was just too poor. I'm sure I'm gonna get judged heavily because we are bringing it home on an open trailer. In the past, we've had an enclosed trailer, and if you've seen it in previous videos, it's my dad's enclosed, and he always trailers the car when he uses that. We're not allowed to borrow it. We're only allowed to borrow his open trailer. So that's what we're doing. We're going to grab it. Unfortunately, his trailer was involved in an accident, and it is getting repaired right now. So this was our only option. Please keep the judgment low. Ryan and I are going to get an enclosed eventually. No future plans for it. So I'm at my dad's shop, going to grab Brian, going to grab everything to hook the trailer to the truck, and we're off to go get the car. How excited are you to get the car back?
I'm so excited.
I am
How excited
too.
are you?
Oh my god, I shed a tear when Dylan posted about it today.
Aww.
I can't help but be a sap.
Why?
I don't know, because I just never thought that the car would well, I knew the car would be fast, but I guess my 8-year-old self in 3rd grade is dying because they never thought that this would actually come to fruition of being a racer and needing a car that's safe.
Fruition, or are you trying to say fruition?
No, that's the word we always fight about. I think it's fruition. No.
Yeah.
Look, I am spot on.
You're real close.
Dang.
I'm not cool with that far.
Well, forgot to tell you guys, I backed into a tree and haven't gotten my tailgate fixed yet. So it's a little crook. So that's pretty impressive with how crooked it is. Are we bringing the battery, or we want to just wing it since it's nice out?
I'd say it was dry the entire way home from work, so
Okay.
if you're cool with it, let's just wing it and just get it back quick.
All right, that's fine. I sit up so tall still. I can't. I can't tell it's straight.
Send it right just a tad. Yeah. You want to back it up and get a little? Alright, straight, Joe. Alright, go to the right just a little bit. Yeah. Have it straight.
Yeah.
Right, touch, straight. Left, 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 straight. Oh god. Oh, fuck. Right just a little bit. Straight.
That was oh shit, everyone's sliding.
I'm on it.
It was oh, this is going easy. I was oh, fuck. Oh.
Gonna go forward a little more? Yeah, brake a little more. Turn
Yeah.
right. Forward, let's off the brake.
Alright, you're good there. On the brake, Joe.
On it. You don't know how much I want to drive this thing. What you think?
I like everything. It looks good. It's just as usual, you know, the sidebar makes life a pain in the ass on a street car, but we tucked it up really nice here. The silver looks great. I think that's a better job than doing it black. It looks better in silver. I like it. Just like anything else, the roll bar, that's my only concern. Just climbing in and out of there. Everything else is really good.
All right, Brian, hold on.
Holding on. Yo, we're going like around the corner. I ain't going anywhere. I used to do this all the time.
Doesn't mean it's right.
I had a paper out when I was a child,
Yeah.
and we used to throw the bag of like big papers in the bed,
Yeah.
and then I'd hop on the running board like this. And my dad would drive me around, and I'd hop off, deliver my papers.
Aw.
Did you lock the side door?
I did.
All right, then take these home and give them to your dad.
Okay.
Okay. Ciao. See you at home.
I love you.